Hi viewers at home, have you had your breakfast? If not, let me show you how to prepare your breakfast. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an avocado toast. Let's check it out! First step, cut the avocado into 2 pieces. Put the avocado into the bowl. Mash the avocado with the back of a fork until chunky. Now you can see that it's already chunky. Now it's seasoning time. Well, add a pinch of salt on the avocado and also a little pepper. And stir the ingredients. Turn on the stove to medium-high heat. Then put the butter into the pan. Take and put the bread into the pan. Toast until it brown and crispy. And then flip the bread. Put the bread on the plate, and it's time to plating the avocado toast. And now, top toasted bread with mashed avocado mixture. Now, the avocado toast is ready to serve. See you next time!